In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Canva without cropping. If you've ever tried to resize a photo in Canva and ended up chopping off a part you wanted to keep, this walkthrough is for you. I will show you two clear approaches. A quick proportional scale inside your current design and a perfect fit method that matches the canvas to your photo's exact dimensions. First, let's keep your full image intact while resizing it within your existing layout. Click on your photo so a bounding box appears around it. That box is your visual cue that the image is selected and ready to adjust. Now, move your cursor to one of the four white circular handles at the corners. These corner circles are the key to proportional scaling, which means the width and height change together so nothing gets squished or stretched. Click and drag outward to make the image larger, or drag inward to make it smaller. Take your time and watch the edges so everything stays visible. Very important. Avoid the flat, pill-shaped bars on the top, bottom, and sides of the image. Those are crop handles. If you grab them, you will trim part of the picture instead of resizing the whole thing. Sticking to the corner circles ensures the entire image stays in frame, just bigger or smaller as needed. Now, if your photo looks cut off because the canvas shape doesn't match your image, maybe your design is tall and your photo is wide, adjusting the canvas to your image will give you a perfect fit. If you have Canva Pro, click your image and choose Position from the top toolbar. In the Advanced section, note the exact width and height shown there. These are the dimensions you'll use. Next, go to Resize and Magic Switch in the top left corner. Select Custom Size, enter the exact width and height you just noted and click Copy and Resize. This creates a new design sized precisely to your image, so the proportions align without any cropping. Finally, drag your photo to the corners of the new canvas so it snaps neatly into place. If needed, zoom in slightly for precision as you align the edges. Snapping will help the image lock to the canvas boundaries. Use the first method when you are keeping your layout and just need your picture larger or smaller, without losing any part of it. Use the second when the canvas shape itself is forcing a crop. With these two approaches, you will resize confidently and keep your full image every time. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.